Hello everyone, my name is Akhil Sharma and I am here to present a case study on Pablo's Pepper Pizza. To begin with the introduction of Pablo's Pepper Pizza, it is a fast food restaurant which is also known as a quick service restaurant. It is a specific type of restaurant that serves fast food cuisine and has minimal table services. It specializes in pizzas and offer a wide range of freshly made pizzas. They believe to serve quality food at inexpensive price which can be in everyone's budget. Relevance with management subject. Brand management is a function of marketing that use technique to increase the perceived value of a brand over time. Brand management helps Pablo's Pepper Pizza to develop a well-established business into a recognized brand through marketing and creating value in the mind of customer, hence to increase their customer base and to increase their profitability. SWOT analysis of Pablo's Pepper Pizza: strength, low price, quality, friendly environment with complimentary services. Weaknesses: less space, waiting time of customer is more. Opportunity: expansion through opening new outlet, taking business online. Threats: tough competition, less reach, there is no other outlet available. Individual assessment of Pablo's Pepper Pizza: how Pablo's integrate brand value into employees' activity. They integrate brand value into employees' activity through brand engagement on daily basis. Only when employees are engaged with a brand, they think and act in a specific ways that produce the specific result the company is seeking. Employees have appropriate access to tool and data about how the brand is perceived by the customer, and they actively nurture and reinforce the brand on a daily basis at every touch point. Even those employees who don't have the direct customer contact understand and embrace their role in delivering on brand customer experience. Pablos must evaluate their brand effectiveness in following ways. They must measure visibility of the brand, that is whether customer can easily identify their product simply by its logo, its product color, or some other visible mean. This means customer visibly recognize the brand. Pablos should conduct advertising campaign to spread brand awareness and calculate the success of advertising campaign. Chart sales before and after the advertising campaign must be evaluated. It should question customer about specific advertising campaign to determine how effective the campaign was and whether they remembered it or not. It must review the brand sales in relationship to the competitors' sales to obtain a benchmark for its position and differentiation in the marketplace. Pablo should build its brand by the following ways: defining the brand and its objectives, establishing vision and mission for the brand, investing in a brand guideline or that is tagline, determining what separates them from the competitors, determining their target audience, integrating brand in every aspect of the business. Conclusion: to wind up the case study, Pablo's Pepper Pizza is a growing fast food restaurant business specialized in pizza that aims to deliver high quality food at inexpensive price. It has friendly environment where people can spend a quality time without even exceeding their budget. They deliver value through their employees as they have opportunity to expand their business and also to take their business online. They should build their brand through proper brand management and promote through different digital platforms. Thank you.